I don't need to be fixed, I just need space to be. Sky above my roofline, forest holding quiet over me. I stand with open hands now, no winning, no defeat. When the world asks for a story, I return to air and leaves. First the chest goes tight like a door that won't give in. Then a little click of light, and the breath comes flooding in. My heart knocks once, then twice, then it turns into a breeze. There's a hole where panic lives, and the cool air moves through me. It opens, then it closes like the sea. I'm not healing, I'm arriving, I'm just learning how to be. Rain can ride on window glass, and it doesn't need my name. Wind can shake the garden,